Good morning, seawolves. My name is Alyssa.
And my name's Aria.
Today is January 23rd, and we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of Burger King. So what do you think about Burger King?
I think Burger King has a lot of varieties of food and tastes really good. What do you think about Burger King?
Well, I think that Burger King can also be healthy and provide many health problems for kids and adults. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes, I do agree. It can serve many health problems, like eating much of it can turn into obesity and high cholesterol.
Sometimes it can also be good. It's affordable and it's helpful for when you're stressed out. So fast food as Burger King aren't always bad for you.
I agree. There's a lot of pros and cons to eating Burger King, but it's also very convenient in prices and tastes really good and has lots of varieties. My favorite is their burgers and Whoppers. What is yours?
I don't have a favorite, but I really like the chicken fries. They taste really good and I enjoy them with barbecue sauce. Even if they're unhealthy, I still love them.
I agree, they can be very satisfying and taste really good, but mind you, they can also create many health problems like I stated before. So before you go to Burger King, always remember there's many pros and cons of eating it.
That's true. In your opinion, what seems to be the most unhealthy thing on the menu?
In my opinion, the most unhealthy thing on the menu is the double sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. What's yours?
I honestly think the desserts are the most unhealthy due to the overpowering amount of sugar. But do you support the idea that Burger King won't be selling any salads this year?
I do support that salads won't be selling this year because of the fact that dressing and other accoutrements can send the salads into calorie and fat gram overload. But I do also disagree because I think they should come back with salads but make them more healthier. Do you think they should come back with salads or just leave it off the menu?
No, I actually don't think they should bring back salads to the menu because either if they bring back or not, most people won't be going to fast food places just to eat a salad. Most people go to Burger King or other fast food places to enjoy the sweet savory of unhealthiness.
I agree with you that many do like the taste of unhealthy foods, and that's the reason why they come to many fast food places. But I also disagree because I think if people come to fast food restaurants and see more healthy options, they will choose those instead of just having a menu of unhealthy foods. What do you think?
That's true because most stores sell only healthy foods like oakberry, acai, but not everything likes to be healthy. So it's also good to have a good variety of choices to choose from.
I agree. If you have more of a variety of foods to choose from than just people that like not just unhealthy foods, but also healthy foods can come to the same place to eat, which would also bring up more sales.
Well, I guess that summarizes our time together. I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Aria. And that's the end of our talk about the pros and cons of Burger King and how they should make more healthy varieties of foods. Bye.